This is proof. Dark vinegar. Ready? You count.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
You just don't like vinegar. I don't like that one. I don't mind that one. Kind of just bland though. I told you which side it was on. You tell me which side it was on.
Alright, so I'll tell you that it is from here to,
Oh, there's vinegars over here?
yeah. So it's from there to here.
So from this one to there? Okay.
You need to make educated
Yeah, I
guesses,
know.
not just random guesses.
I wanted to try this one. Is it this one?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what it is.
Oh, it's flipped for them. Fuck.
Denissimo.
Yeah, Denissimo. Yeah.
Denissimo.